Last Battle Live signing in. And in this video I'm going to show you how to install the winch. Here we are now in Timmins.
Road back up north of us.
Okay. I got the winch in the trunk. I'm gonna pop this sucker out and get it on the front of the Jeep. Alright, so I'm trying to get at my winch. Winch is up there, I can get my door open. Barbecue over there. All right, so some small adjustments may need to be made. Let me just take this bolt off, just so I get a little more play to line the bolts up. I'm gonna pull the cable through and connect the wires. All right, so I move this aside. Before I get the bolts in, I'm going to want to pull the cable through, and before I do that, I'm going to pull off my fair lead. All right, so got the winch on there, and got the nuts, the captured nuts in there. So just been lining them up in the hole using this guy. So I'll do that for the rest, and slam the bolts in, and the winch is on, then control box and power. So to get my cable through, I pulled off, used this again, and a tiny screwdriver, and I pulled this one off. And I put it back on after, just separated it.
Hey, stop eating snow. I'm gonna give you some meat right now. Let's go. Let's go, Rock. Rock, let's go. Come on. No.
Alright, so just connecting the last wires. I was missing a post nut here, so I found it actually in my bolt bag. That was awesome. If this guy's gonna work. I gotta hook this up somewhere too. Getting right. Let's do this.
All right.
Winch cable's hooked up. I'm gonna get inside, start driving, and get out of here. We are out. We are packing up. We're gonna go eat some ribs. Look at this guy. Just another trip up to Timmins, eh? Oh, fuck.
Nice.
No, did you eat sausage? You ate sausage?
Yeah.
There's one more. And his heart. This is my piece.
Bro.
Oh yeah? Fucking restaurant like that, man. Barbecue. It's just the most versatile food, you know? You can do whatever. Kurt, that's your piece, eh?
Yeah,
Heart?
cool. Alright, so I got stuck trying to pull the truck, and now I'm going to see if I can winch both of us out.
I told him, Joe.
What are we making here, George? Chicken soup?
Chicken noodle.
Yo, should we throw one chicken breast in there too? Just let it cook?
Do we have?
You have chicken.